Hi, hello everyone. Today I'm here to teach you how to make Archie the worm, and here he is. He is super cute and super simple, and your little flute students are going to love him. All you need is a piece of paper about 1 inch through 6 or 7 inches long. It doesn't need to be perfect. A pen and scissors. So after you have your piece of paper, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half, and you're going to fold it in half again, both sides. So you have this, okay? And you're going to fold it in half one more time. This is what you get at the end with all the folded edges, okay? Once you get to this point, we're going to grab our scissors and we're going to round the edges. And we can now open him up. And you get the shape of the worm. So at this point, we are going to draw the eyes and mouth. Now, this is the part where your student can get creative. They can draw eyeglasses, you know, bows, anything that they would like. So they can make it theirs and make it super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and draw some eyeglasses for this one. And I have a pink one right here. And there you have it, Archie the worm. I hope this tutorial will help you, and I hope that your students have fun practicing the breathing exercises. Thank you.